There he is. Holy cow. Look at the size of this monster. Kaz and I are heading to the clam beds here in Seaside. It's first week of July. I think the low tide's going to be about a negative 2.0. And we're going to go out a little farther than normal and take advantage of that low tide, hopefully get in some big razors. So we're out here walking out through the tide. We're heading out to the edge of where the surf is right now. We're looking for the clam shows, which is about a quarter-size hole in the sand. It's where those razor clams come up to breathe. So we're just walking around scanning, looking where other people are going. And once we start finding the shows, we'll start digging. But that's really what you want to do. You want to walk until you find something, and then the shows typically will show up together, and then you start digging and find some razors. So you can go, Kazi. That's gonna be it right there. Nothing?
Not yet.
Where's China? Sure, it's up there already. Oh, it's in here.
It's gotta be in there.
It's laying sideways.
There it is.
Nice. Let me see. Beauty. Nice job. So check this out. See this little dimple right there? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. That is a razor clam. So let's dig that sucker up right now. Look at that puppy. So far, Kaz and I are doing great. We finally found the clams. There's a lot of people here. It's the day after the 4th of July holiday. Thought most people had gone home, but when you get low tide at 9 a.m. and it's a minus tide, that's when everybody's gonna be here. But the good news is there's plenty of clams here. We're just up from the beach line. If you look where we are, the tide is still going out. And we're just up in the hard packed sand. It's tough digging, but we're making it work. Oh, I see another show over there to your left. Get him? Chunky. Nice work, Kazi. There's another little dimple right here. Very subtle. See if there's a clam in there. Got it. There it is. Nice. See a couple of more shows right here. So we're gonna start digging. show right here? That's what we're talking about. It's right here. Come on. There he is. Look at that one. There's another shell right here, Kazi. GoPro. Just leave it on. Jesus. Nothing, huh? GoPro, stop recording. Oh, there he is. Nice.
Good job.
Thank you.
Nice job. That's a big one, Kazi. Check this out. There's a nice show right there. That was pretty pronounced. Let's see if we can dig this guy up. Come on. What the heck? There he is. Holy cow. Look at the size of this monster. What a beefy climb. He was down probably 3 feet. Massive. Nice. Let's keep going.
You think this one or?
I don't know.
I see that one.
Yes. Too steep of an angle. Straighten out a little bit.
What?
Straighten out a little bit. You're pointing.
So straight up and down?
No, not completely straight up and down, but you're at a pretty hard angle. There you go. Just barely pointed towards the ocean. You're too shallow for the razor.
I don't know. It's in there. Yeah, there he is.
That was shallow.
He's crushed a little bit.
That's okay. That's a chunky one. That's a good one. Nice job. So Kaz and I are wrapping up Seaside. Awesome day today. We caught a whole bunch of big juicy razors. Look at that. We got 2 nice limits here. It's a sunny day. It's beautiful. I hope you had a good time with us today on this adventure. I hope you join us on the next one. Thanks for watching.